A tautonym is a scientific name of a species in which both parts of the name have the same spelling, for example bison bison. The first part of the name is the name of the genus and the second part is referred to as the specific epithet in the International Code of Nomenclature for algae, fungi, and plants and the specific name in the International Code of Zoological Nomenclature. Tautonymy is permissible in zoological nomenclature. In past editions of the Zoological Code, the term tautonym was used, but it has now been replaced by the more inclusive tautonymous names. These include trinomial names such as gorilla, gorilla, gorilla. In the current rules for botanical nomenclature, tautonyms are explicitly prohibited. One example of a botanical tautonym is Larix larix. The earliest name for the European larch is Pinus larix L., but Gustav Carl Wilhelm Hermann Karsten did not agree with the placement of the species in Pinus and decided to move it to larix in 1880. His proposed name created a tautonym, under rules first established in 1906, which are applied retroactively. Larix larix does not and cannot exist. In such a case either the next earliest validly published name must be found, in this case Larix decidua mill, or a new epithet must be published. However, it is allowed for both parts of the name of a species to mean the same, without being identical in spelling. For instance, Arctostaphylos uva ursi means Berberry twice, in Greek and Latin respectively. Piscia omorica uses the Latin and Serbian terms for a pine. There are also instances of an almost repeat of the genus name, with a slight modification, such as Lycopersicum lycopersicum. Differences as small as a single letter are permissible, as in the name Ziziphus Ziophis. In linguistics, in general English, a tautonym is sometimes considered to be any word or term made from two identical parts or syllables, such as bonbon or dada. The origin of this usage is uncertain, but it has been suggested that it is of relatively recent derivation. The general term in linguistics for such double words is reduplicants.